In this lesson, we're going to learn how to connect to SSH for the new server we spun up. Alright, now to connect, you can click on this connect right here, and this gives you details on how to connect. We are going to be using an SSH client. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to be using Terminal. But if you are on Windows, you could use something like PuTTY, or you could do something like git bash to connect. Now, I will demonstrate how to do this on a Mac, and later on show how to do the same thing on a Windows computer. Alright, so for the Mac, I'm going to chmod 400 for my demo.2.pem, which is the SSH key. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and use this SSH command down here to connect. So I can actually just copy this, head over to terminal, and I can cd to where I have my key. In this case, I have it in downloads. Alright, and chmod 400 demo2.pem, and I can paste in my command to connect. Choose yes, and there we are. We logged into SSH on the Mac.
Now, let's look at how to connect to SSH using a Windows computer. Head over to gitforwindows.org. Just open your browser and go to that URL. And once you're there, you can click on download to download Git Bash. What Git Bash is a bash emulator for Windows. So it basically lets you run bash commands on your Windows computer. So once you are done with that, you can go over to your AWS console and copy the IP of the server, or you could also use the public DNS, and then you can open git bash, and the same commands we ran when we did on the Mac would apply here. So you would have to cd to the directory that has your SSH key, and then you chmod 400 and then the name of the key, and then you can type ssh-i, you specify the key file, and then you put in ec2-user and you put @ and then the IP, or you could also use a public DNS and that works the same. And that's pretty much it. You are logged on to SSH with Windows. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next lesson.